In this video, I'm on a hunt to find the best mac and cheese in London. After extensive research and recommendations on what is the best mac and cheese, I've narrowed it down to 3 places, all of different styles, to crown the winner. And joining me on this quest is my friend Priscilla, who's also lactose intolerant. Why am I doing this? Well, I feel like mac and cheese is easy to go wrong, and I've grown up on amazing quality Caribbean mac and cheese, especially my aunt's. So when I order it in restaurants, it doesn't quite live up to the standards, with some being too bland or too strong. So therefore, I'm determined to find a place where I can go and enjoy a good quality mac and cheese. So today on my list, I've got 3 mac and cheese places, and after extensive research, that's what I've narrowed it down to the ones that I'm going to try in order to find the best mac and cheese. And across the board there, we've got 3 different types. So I'm going to a place that specializes in mac and cheese. The second is like specializes in cheeses in general. And the third place is more like a lobster boil type place. And I'll let you guys know by the end of the video which one is best. 3, 2, 1. Oh! On the first stop is the Mac Factory. So I'm currently on their website. They claim to say that they're saying no more to bland, tasteless so-called mac and cheese. So we're going to test them out and see if that's actually true. And they literally only sell mac and cheese. So I'm just thinking, like, surely you can't go wrong. Like, there's no way. This is how you make your business. You only sell mac and cheese. It's got to be good. And you can get different flavors. So on their website, you've got Le Medbay, which is basil pesto mac and cheese. Personally, I think basil should not be on mac and cheese, but okay. You've got Macarena, smoked chipotle beef chili con carne with tortilla chips. Okay, sounds cool, with sour cream and jalapenos. That's kind of a lot, but I'm kind of sold. You've got Super Maria, which is sauteed mushrooms, garlic and white truffle oil. Again, quite a lot. And personally, I think that mushrooms have no business on mac and cheese, but what do I know? But anyway, let's try this place out.
Mushrooms do work on mac and cheese.
So we opted for the nostalgic, which is the simple classic mac and cheese, to test this out as like a base. But we also went for Posh Spice, which is spicy chorizo, caramelized onions and harissa. Thank you so much. Woo, the best one. Right, so Priscilla's got the classic one here. Do you want to take the first bite? Okay. It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, I'm curious.
Cheesy. Very cheesy. But it's fine, I love cheese, so.
We just dropped of it on the floor, trying to balance everything. But anyway, back to the nostalgic. That's what it's called, right? Nostalgic.
Yep.
This has approval, not gonna lie. But I don't like the crispy onions. I think that's a bit too much. It's good, man. Really good. Okay, next we've got Posh Spice, which has chorizo, and it's supposed to be a little bit spicy with some harissa on it. Don't ignore the presentation, and we dropped half of it on the floor. It's good as well. Which one do you think you prefer? This one? Yeah, fairs.
Yeah. It's a bit too much going on in your mouth.
Right, okay.
You should try it.
Okay, let's see.
It's a bit too much.
Okay, trying the next one. I feel like the chorizo overpowers the cheese. So it's not like mac and cheese, it's like bacon pasta. Okay, so we're just literally talking, and 100% mac and cheese needs to stay classic, right?
Mac and cheese can only be classic, guys.
Only be classic. This is too much. Like, it's not mac and cheese. Didn't even need to bother trying all the rest of the flavors. Like, classic, that's it.
It's too overpowering.
But what would you rate the classic? I would rate it quite high. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? But I do think I can make it at home.
Fair enough. Okay, the next place is also in Camden, and we are heading to the Cheese Bar. Speciality in cheese. Oh, it's right here, no?
Yeah. So there's absolutely no way again you could mess this up, right? So what have we got on the menu, Priscilla?
We have got macaroni cheese.
Yeah.
And some other grilled cheese stuff.
You don't really care about the other stuff, you're just here for the macaroni.
Yes.
Okay, so the mac and cheese has arrived. Oh, first glances, incredibly cheesy. Oh my god.
Now the reason why this looks so cheesy is because it's actually a 5 cheese macaroni with Montgomery, cheddar, Lincolnshire, mozzarella and red Leicester.
I'm scared. Are you scared? Priscilla is lactose intolerant, by the way. I don't know why she came on this trip with me. She's crazy. It smells really strong. Sorry, I just realised I'm not the only one eating this. I just put my nose on that. Sorry, I'm not ill, I promise. It's so cheesy. Oh my god.
Cheese pool.
Ah!
Oh, there's not
Bloody hell.
much.
Wait, I think you have to come around on this side to see how cheesy it is. This is insanity. Whoa. I don't
First
know.
bite.
I feel like this is going to be like mature cheddar type cheese, like just really like potent cheese. So I don't know if I'm going to like this. I don't know what to say.
It's very cheesy.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Like it doesn't taste like. It just tastes too strong. Drink the water.
Fair enough.
What does fair enough mean?
I think it's nice.
Okay.
But I think that you don't really like blue cheese.
Oh, it's got blue cheese in it.
I think it does.
What? I didn't read the menu properly. I read it, but I didn't read it. I just read cheese, 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 cheese.
Oh no, it doesn't. I just don't really like smelly cheeses.
Yeah, it's very smelly,
cheese.
right?
There's 5 types of cheese in here, and I don't think I like it.
So we'll get back to you guys. Okay.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, it's great.
I would rate this a solid 4 out of 10. Yeah, I think I'm even being generous.
Yeah. But the thing is, for me, I actually don't really like smelly cheeses.
Yeah.
And we're at a cheese place, so obviously there will be smelly cheese.
Okay, so we've been blessed with British weather, but we continue. So overall, we didn't really enjoy that place too much, but I think it's because it. I said that we don't have fine palates. We don't. Like, I think if I was a bit bougie and a bit posher, maybe I would have enjoyed it a bit more, but I thought it was a bit too strong for me. Yeah, not the type of cheeses I like. But we're, I think, straight. Now we're on our way to the next stop, which is also in Camden. All the mac and cheese places are in Camden, to a place called Trap Kitchen.
So unlike Mac Factory and Cheese Bar, the Trap Kitchen isn't a place specifically for mac and cheese. It's a place of soul food and lobster boils and serves mac and cheese as a side. And even though it is just a side, it has a huge amount of ravings online. And it was actually also a restaurant that started from selling food on Instagram. So to grow that much, the food has got to be insane.
My thoughts on appearance.
It's cute.
It's so cute. Also, I feel like so much food and so much mac and cheese that now this is like good quality size because I'm full and you're full. I know you're full, so this is like perfect size. Whoa! First taste test.
Good.
Good. Out of 10?
I think 8.
8, really? Better or worse
I think
than
this
Mac
is better
Factory?
than Mac
Really?
Factory. It's
Okay.
more my palate.
My not too posh.
Not too much at all. Taste it, it's good.
Interesting. I like the kick.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's better than Mac Factory though.
If you want a classic kind of food,
Yeah.
go to Mac Factory. If you
Yeah.
want more of a what's the word?
Yeah, flavored.
Seasoning.
Okay. I don't know the score that I would give it because I like it. I don't like it as much as Mac Factory. I think 7.4. 7.4. Whoa. You like in the front of it though as well. The top. Okay, I think my point just went up. Huh? The top, I just had like the melted cheese top. Amazing. I think yeah, it doesn't taste like an ordinary like classic thing. It has got like a twist on it. More but different type of twist to like what Posh Spice has when we had it at Mac Factory. Banging. Now I'm confused. Now I'm really conflicted on the point scoring. I think like what you would expect your traditional mac and cheese to taste like in Mac Factory. Amazing. But like this like you've got to get used to it that this is not gonna be like the traditional type of mac and cheese, you know what I mean? But yeah. So we've tried out the 3 different types of mac and cheeses. The first one being speciality in mac and cheese, the second one being the Posh cheese speciality, and the third one being specializing in lobster boils. So now we have the moment of truth where we have to decide which one's our favourite. I feel like we've been kind of obvious throughout the whole video though.
Yeah, you'll probably guess.
Okay. I don't know how.
For which one's the best one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first say 3, 2, 1, then we say like which one's the best.
Okay.
Okay.
The 1, 2, or 3, yeah? Let's just do 1. 3,
Not
2, 1,
1.
3.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, so I like Mac Factory and you like
The lobster boil, the Trap Kitchen
yeah, the
mac
Trap
and
Kitchen
cheese.
mac and cheese.
Because it had more
Interesting.
flavour, and I think the first place made me feel sick. It was quite a lot.
Did you
It's a
rate
lot
it
of
so
cheese.
highly?
It was really good because it was like my first munch of the day kind of vibes.
Okay.
But yeah.
Right, okay. Oh, wait,
But it was really good still.
but it's really good because on your third one, you were still like, you know what, this is good.
Yeah.
And we were full by that point.
So that proved something. Yeah.
Interesting. Well, there you have it. 2 very different results, but both of them really, really good. So if you guys try, she's just stopped her phone. So if you guys try it, let me know in the comments, and I hope you have a really great time. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.